So I'm about to finish my hair care. Hopefully you already watched my first video on shampoo and how easy it is to make it yourself and save yourself all the chemicals. Well, I feel the same way about conditioner. If you look at all the ingredients lists on these, they have about 12 and up to more than 30 different chemicals in them, and I don't want that to go on my head or in my body. The statistic is that the average woman, by the time she leaves the house in the morning, has applied 100 to 200 different chemicals to her body. Between hair care, makeup, deodorants, bodies, lotions, potions, and that's scary. So I'd rather use easy, simple, homemade products that are going to benefit my health rather than mess up my hormones or possibly cause cancer. And it's very important with the hormones. This isn't like female hormones. This is important hormones like cortisol, insulin, thyroid, which can really upset your health and cause disease. So what do? After I get out of the shower, I just wring out the extra water in my hair, come over to the sink, and plug up the drain. I like to use coconut oil on my hair instead of conditioner. I like coconut oil. I've tried other oils and they just seem to be kind of gross and sticky. If you've ever tried any good oils that you like to put on your hair, please let me know. So I use probably 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and I just put little bits in my hand, scrunch it into the bottom part, half of my hair, done. Then I'll follow and scrunch with some hair gel, done. Then I blot my hair with like a towel just so the products aren't kind of dripping and oozing out. I'll usually drape the towel around me and just walk around the house for like 10 minutes. It just absorbs up any extra, done. Then I take a paper towel and just wipe up the sink. So I apply everything over the sink that's plugged up for 2 reasons. You don't want to be applying oils, especially that harden, in the shower that goes down the drain because it will harden and clog your drains over time. Also, oils you don't want on the floor or tile in your shower because that's dangerous and slippery. So that's easy. What do I do with hair gel? So I make my own again with collagen. Now there's 2 different types of collagen. These are both grass-fed, meaning from healthy cows. This dissolves in liquids, and so it's great for smoothies. And then this collagen forms a gelatin, so it firms up and makes great hair gel. I have to point out, I've had this bottle forever, and there's still quite a bit in here, so I want to make the point that this saves so much money. I've been using this for years, and it's going to last for more. All of these products save me so much money. I used to spend a lot of money on curly hair, shampoo, conditioner, hair gel, hairspray, and that's another note. Now that my hair is so much more manageable and less frizzy, I don't even need hairspray. So between the gel and oils, just keeping it manageable, it's great. I can also travel with this stuff as long as you have access to a microwave and fridge. How you make the hair gel, you either use a quarter and a quarter cup to quarter teaspoon powder, or a half and a half cup water to half teaspoon of powder. So I get the water almost boiling in the microwave and then just stir in quickly the collagen powder, and then I let it firm up. It takes an hour or 2 in the fridge. If you forget and have to do it last minute, it takes 25 to 30 minutes to harden up in the freezer. And it lasts about a week in the fridge, so I'll usually make a couple servings at a time and then just make it once a week, and again, it takes less than 2 minutes. Then I can travel with it. I know that this is a quarter cup to fill this. I've got my measuring cup and my collagen powder, so it's very easy. No hairspray needed. I'm always happy to spend a little extra time or money, and it's only time here. It saves a lot of money. I want to do that on the front end because it will add time and quality of life on the end, saving yourself from disease, cancers, you name it. So, you choose. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.